Today we are talking about an introductory video in Coreldraw, and then if you launch your Coreldraw for the first time, this is your working environment that you see, and from this working environment, it entails that you have this is where you create your new. This if you click here, you create new. For instance, you click on it. Let's move away from that. You click on it now. Then from here, at this section here, you can change your name. For instance, to my name is Soft Touch. Soft Touch Design. Soft Touch Designs. Then you can select your color. You see, this is CNYK, this is RGB. And then from here, you can select which paper you want to use. We have different kinds of paper. This is a business card. This is, let's see, let's select the paper type, for instance. This is statement. We have legal, we have letter, we have A4 paper as well. This is A4, this is A3, A2, A1. At the end of this call, please stay tuned. You'll become very good at Coreldraw and ready for print jobs. For instance, you can work in a printing press, for example. Then from here, this shows our, this is the unit section. This is where you can change the width and height. And then you can change the resolution. Basically, the resolution is around 300, which is here. You can change it to, for instance, 600 to 800. Let's try and see. You can change it. You want your resolution to be around 800. You can change it. And if you don't want this message to pop up again, you can click here. But let's leave it. And then you click on OK. And in this introductory class, we'll be talking most of, we'll be, we'll be talking about file. We'll be talking about this toolbar, this tool section here, starting from the pick tool to the shape tool to the crop tool, and then we have the rectangular tool, and then also this is the ellipse tool, the pentagon, the text tool, like that. This is the shadow tool, transparency, eyedropper, the interactive, like that. So stay tuned for more and you will learn so much. This is the section for where you can change your unit at this point, and here as well. This is your unit section. Under this unit section here, you can tap here to select the unit of your choice, whether you want to talk about, you want to change your design to feet, you want to change it to centimeter, you want to change it to meters, you want to change it to kilometers. It's very, 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 very important. And then the other side, this is your color section. We'll be talking about the color section as well. Under this is your color section. This color is CNYK color. And if you want to change your color base, you can come here, Windows. You can come under color palette here. For instance, let's click Windows, color palette, and then under this color palette, you can choose from within. You select the palette, it will ask you whether you want to use, this is CNYK or RGB. You can see select RGB. Now you can see RGB colors have popped up. Let's hold this RGB color and bring it down like this. Then it now pops out to this point. So that's your own way to select your color palette. And then you can start your design like that. So this is a rectangle. You can select which you use. Design is all about shapes. This is a pentagon. This is a pentagon. Like this. This is an ellipse. This is just an introductory video. This is a crop tool. Let's say you want to crop something. For instance, you press enter, it will crop that particular image. But we don't have an image there, so which we can crop. So, but then I'll bring in sections respectively in our classes like that. Then this is basically the work environment. I want to bring to your notice that please, this whiteboard here, what is inside this white section here, this entails your design must be inside for it to print. Please take note. Your design must be inside here. It should not cut off. It must be inside here for you to print. It's very, very, very important. And that is it. And for you to create pages, you can come here, under here, you can click here, this plus icon here, for you to, you can come here, click here. You have another page that is to show you that you can, after designing on this page, when you design here, for instance, let's keep a cycle here, and then if you draw here, you want to go to your next page, you can come here, click here, and then you are on the next page. If you want to come back, if you want to add number of pages, you can still click here, or a shortcut on your keyboard, you can press page down, and then it will ask you to create a new page. If you want a different setup for it, you can now use this and this setup options for yourself. You can now change these setup options, which is also very important. So, but then basically, if you're working on a particular design base, or let's say a particular paper size we're working on later, and you want to continue, there's no need for that. So then click on OK from here, and then you continue. So thank you, and I hope to see you subsequently in our next class. And if you love this tutorial, please subscribe for more.